Sandra. So welcome back to our channel, and I'm back with another hair video for you guys. And as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a spring curly hair reset video. I decided to do this video because I felt like my curls were looking a little bit dull and I wanted to give them like a nice reset button, and I decided to try this Aztec Indian clay healing mask on them because I did read a lot of benefits on how this mask is really good for curls and how to get them to bounce back if you know they need some detoxifying and cleansing. So there's a lot of good benefits to this mask when I went to go do my research on it and what it was for, like if I wanted to put it in my hair, because at first I was like, this is for your face, like why would I put that in my hair? So I wanted to make sure it was safe to put in my hair, so I did do my research before applying it. And you guys are gonna see in the video, it was a quite messy process, but I say it was worth it because I'm obsessed with my curls. I feel like they have like a nice spring in them again. They're really shiny, obviously because of the products I use in addition to this. But I do think this is a really good product if you want to detoxify your hair and get rid of product buildup and give them like a nice refresh and reset. So this mask really did work on my hair. Again, you guys will see once you get into the video. So obviously I did some other things to perfect my curls and get them to look the way they do now. And they're super duper soft and defined and super shiny. These curls are everything that I was looking for and aiming for when I wanted to sit down to film this video for you guys. So success. And all the products that I use in this video will be linked in the description box if you guys are interested. Let me know if you've tried this mask on your curls and if they worked. This is also said to be really good for heat damage. Let me know if you've tried it on like your heat damage areas and if it helped with that. For me, I don't have too much heat damage. I used to have a ton in this area, but not so much anymore because I've been wearing my hair curly for almost 2 years now, full time. So I don't really have that anymore because I cut off a lot of heat damage. So yes, you guys let me know if you want more like reset curly hair videos like this and just curly hair videos in general. Let me know what you want to see. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let you guys get into the video. Okay guys, so my hair is pretty dirty at this point. It's about a week old and I had just taken it down from having some mini twists in them, which is why they have like a wave to them instead of my normal curl pattern. But I'm gonna get right into it with the Aztec Healing Clay Mask, and I'm just gonna add some apple cider vinegar to it and stir it in a little bowl and use like a little mask spatula thing. And add however much you want to like the amount of hair you have. I ended up having to apply more in this bowl, but I just started out with that amount first. And I'm not going to apply this on my scalp. It is said to apply it on your scalp, like it's safe to put it on your scalp, but this was my first time using this and I just wanted to use it on like the exterior part of my curls because that's the part that's most exposed to like, you know, pollution and air and stuff. And I did slightly finger detangle it, but this stuff dries so fast that it makes the hair super hard instantly almost. So I just thought that applying it to the exterior of the hair would be the most beneficial. Like this is my first time around trying it, like I said. So I just wanted to do larger sections, not too many tiny sections, and just kind of freehand it and just do 4 whole sections. And then I just separated each section into 2 sections, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to apply that from almost high up to the roots, but not at the roots, and then all the way down to the ends and just gliding it through. This mask has a ton of benefits for your hair. It's supposed to detoxify and cleanse your hair. It removes buildup. It's supposed to improve curl definition, and it supports hair growth if you do apply it to your scalp. So I'm just going to roll that up into 2 large buns and let it sit for about 20 minutes. And I did shampoo my hair as normal after this, shampoo and condition. And I thought I would have to shampoo my hair 3 times, but I only needed to shampoo it twice like normal. And I went in with the K18 Damage Shield shampoo and conditioner. These are really, really good. And the hair mask that I'm going to be using is this Shidavi Crown Protein Mask. This is a fantastic product. This was my first time trying it. Also, if you guys are wondering why I didn't show me shampoo and conditioning my hair, I had to do it at the sink because it was quite messy and I don't want to get in the shower to do it. But this particular hair mask, even though it's said to be a protein mask, it went in like butter. As you can see, I'm also using my steamer to apply this because I do think the steam is going to help penetrate this hair mask even better. But this product is super moisturizing And for it to be a protein mask, my hair still felt super soft and silky. If you guys have not tried any kind of protein mask on your curls, I highly recommend it, especially if you have a ton of breakage or if your hair is shedding a lot. In combination with the steam, this was 10 out of 10 perfection for my curls. So I'm just gonna twist it up on this side while I work on the other side. A good deep condition is essential to getting your curls to bounce back, and this one was fantastic for my hair. Like I said, it went in like silk and it was just super buttery. I love the texture of this hair mask, so I would definitely repurchase this. I will also link my steamer below if you guys are interested. Obviously the steaming step is something that I added last minute because I don't always do this steaming step. Of course, I always deep condition my hair, but when I can remember, the steam just takes it to another level. Let me know if you've used steam during your deep conditioning, and let me know if it's made a difference in your curls, because I've definitely seen a difference since I started steaming during like me applying my hair mask. Because usually when I do my hair routine in the shower, I just use the steam from the shower. But if I want to have a more thorough deep conditioning session, this steamer comes in handy. I will link it below if you guys are interested. And as you can see, my curls are already pretty defined with this hair mask in it before I even applied product to it. So the Aztec mask combined with the shampoo and conditioner that I use and this hair mask are giving my hair the softness and the shine and the definition that I was looking for. And I'm just going to put this up in a little loose bun and apply a plastic cap over that with a silk scrunchie, of course. And over top of that plastic cap, I'm going to use a silk scarf. And the plastic cap and the silk scarf are just going to help everything penetrate deeper and deeper into the follicle so that I can have nice, shiny, detangled, manageable hair to work with when I go in to style it. And I'm going to let this sit for about an hour. So after rinsing out my hair mask, my hair is extremely soft and it's pretty detangled, but I'm going to go in with my Holy Grail stylers. Of course, I'm going to start with a leave-in conditioner like I always do, and I'm going in with my Honey Hydrate by Camille Rose, and this is a very emollient leave-in. This goes very well with damp hair. I would not recommend this on wet hair just because it's very like oil-based, and I'm going to finger detangle this into my hair first, and then I'm gonna go in with this Tangle Teaser brush. Now, if you guys know me, you know I'm not a brush girly. I prefer just my fingers, and I'm usually fine with that. But since this is a spring curly hair reset, I'm going to be a little bit more thorough when it comes to the detangling step. And this brush really did do a good job at detangling my hair even further than my fingers normally do. So I really do like this brush, but I just have to be super gentle at the ends and take my time and not rush. So this brush is really good for like my curl type, like my curl pattern. If you guys are looking for a good detangling brush, this one I do enjoy because I do have quite a few brushes, but I find that this one always works the best when I do want to use a brush. Again, like I said, I typically don't, but for this video, I thought it would be a good idea if I did. So this glided through the hair like butter, like always. I love the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate, and it just gives my hair the moisture that it needs. So after applying that, I'm just going to put it in a little twist to help, the leave-in penetrate even deeper, because when I go in with my styler, it's just going to go by so much faster when I go in to do like my normal shingly method when I want to do an extra like reset curly hair routine. So putting it in that little twist just helps the hair stay detangled. So now that we're done with our leave-in and detangling steps, I'm going to go in and apply my gel. You guys know I'm a gel lover, so I'm going to apply the Extreme Professional Styling Gel. This is a really good gel for my curls. It has never failed me. It always gives me frizz-free curls that aren't too crunchy. And I'm going to be doing the shingling method / finger coiling method. And I like the finger coiling method mixed with the shingling method because it just gives my curls extra definition. I could easily just finger rake this product through and just let it be. But for this particular video, if I'm being extra, this is the technique that I would typically use. So it is time consuming, but it usually is so worth it when I get like the results from this technique. You guys, let me know if you've tried this on your curls and let me know if your hair lasts longer with this technique, because I do find that my hair lasts a long time. And typically this gel, even though it is a gel, it dries really soft. So my hair usually lasts about 3 to 4 days with this. So as you can see, this is a very time consuming technique. If you guys don't know how to do it, I am gonna leave a lot of footage in here so you guys can see how I'm doing it. It's pretty repetitive, but I do like how defined and bouncy my curls always turn out with this technique. And to ensure that this process goes much faster and smoother, what I did before, like my leave-in conditioner and detangling step, is crucial, because if your hair is tangled, this is going to take so much longer. So that's why detangling your hair before is like an essential step, because it's going to make your life so much easier. So after we're done shingling, I'm going to put my hair in a silk scarf and plop it for like 10-15 minutes and then take it out of the scarf and let it air dry. And if you guys don't know what plopping is, it just makes the curls more defined and gives it, you know, some time to kind of set. So I'm going to let that air dry and that takes forever. And then this is the result of my hair air drying. The shingling method does give the hair a lot of definition, but along with that comes a lot of shrinkage, especially if you have my curl type. But it's still worth it because I just go in with some oil. I'm going to be using this Moroccan oil to like scrunch out a little bit of some of the crunch. It's not a lot with this routine. And I'm going to stretch my curls with my Dyson blow dryer, and the concentration nozzle is going to help give my curls that stretch and give my curls the length that it needs, because I hate the amount of shrinkage that my hair has when I do the shingling method. But this is the quick fix that I love to use. This Dyson blow dryer is really, really good. And again, when you go in to stretch your hair, make sure you soften the curls first with some kind of oil that's going to protect your hair from the heat. Even though I'm not using like direct heat on the hair, it's still heat, and putting something on it first is going to help. And I really love this Moroccan oil step. In addition to it adding shine to my hair, is also going to protect my hair. So I just do this stretching method for, it doesn't really take that long, less than 10 minutes honestly. And I take longer on the back, and I take like a lot less time on the front. I've also been doing like this little twisting method to kind of get the curls to like melt into each other better. They just help, it helps them to blend better. And like I said, the front, I don't stretch for that long because I don't want my hair to like go looking straight. I still want to keep the bounce and the definition in them. So I definitely leave the blow dryer on it for less time than I do the back. So maybe like 8 seconds rather than like the 10-15 seconds that I normally do the back. So after I'm done stretching this side, I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. But before I do that, I want you guys to see the difference in the length. This is why I need to stretch my hair sometimes, and these are the results. I loved how my hair turned out. I love the definition, the softness, the bounce, the shine. So this is gonna be like my go-to reset routine. You guys let me know if you're gonna try this out. And again, all the products will be in the description box below. And thank you guys so much for watching.